What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to get nice prompts, how to create AI images for free, how to remix images, and how to create stunning layouts, all online and free. Go to Google and type HiDream, go to this first result right here. You're gonna be able to see this page. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna need to log in, okay? So create your account, then go to this option right here, text to image. Once right here, you're gonna be able to use pre-built layouts in the case that you want for inspirations, or you can create a new one. You can choose output image number, the sizing, the aspect ratio, and you can make it public or not, okay? Let me generate. Normally it's really faster. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes, but while we wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, let me go to the image gallery. I'm gonna go to the home page, click on text to image, and you're gonna be able to see lots and lots and lots of images, okay? So you can search. There is a search field into the top right corner of your screen that you can review. You can search for other previously made designs, for example, cars. You can find some car that you like, and there is a button to download and a button to remix. Let me search for someone right here. This one looks fancy, looks like vintage. I like this design style. You can download, no needs for more extra steps, no need to be premium, and you can copy the prompt. Here is the prompt into my left side of the screen. You can customize the prompt, change some parts, for example, change the color. You can change the aspect ratio, the sizing. You can change the model in the case that you want to go premium, and click on generate. You can generate 1, 2, or 4 images, okay? While you wait for the generation, let's see the previously prompt that you did added, and here is the results we got. Looks fancy, right? And of course you can download, and in the case that you want, you can click to edit, and you can customize this image in the case that you want, okay? Let me go to the other designs, okay? And we are generating. There is an option to generate faster. In the case that you want to go pro, you're gonna be able to generate things faster. But as I told you, the nice thing is click to generate, wait, explore other designs, and you got the results you want. This one looks fancy. Let me wait for a second one. And while you wait, remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this content with friends of yours, and you can want using AI, more tips, ideas, or website tools for build up your online presence, go to visualmodo.com, okay? Let's wait a little bit more. As I told you, I won't cut the video, and here is the result. Looks fancy, right? And you can choose from these two ones. Here is the prompt. You can download, and you can like to save. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.